Today we're going to become math ninjas and solve some story problems. These are the 4 steps that we will be using throughout the year. You may write these down in your notes so you have them to refer back to. The first step is to always understand, what is the problem asking me? It's helpful to underline the question just so you remember. Here we have the problem: the ninja had 41 books to put in his bookshelves. His bookcase has 5 shelves. If the ninja puts the books evenly on his 5 shelves, how many books will be on each shelf? How many will be left over? Many times there are more than one questions asked. So in this case we have 2 questions we're looking for. Underlining them helps us to remember we have 2 things we're doing. We have to figure out what's important, and that's looking at the information. If you want to circle the important information, that's great. So we have 41 books, there's 5 shelves, evenly he wants to put them on, each of the 5 shelves, and each shelf. So each means there's one of something. Those are the keywords we're going to be looking at. Step 2 is to devise a plan. What strategy are we going to use? Are we going to use working backwards? Are we going to use drawing a picture? Are we going to use using an operation? There's many strategies you have learned over the years. In this case, I see we're doing something evenly. So I have a feeling that we're going to be doing an operation, because if I do something evenly, that means I'm splitting it up. And what operation is that? You're right, it's division. I can also use drawing a picture to help me. Here I have drawn the 5 shelves, and I see that I can put 1 on each shelf and keep going down until I see that I have 8 books on each shelf with the 1 left over. So we need to make sure that we go back and read the question, and did we actually understand and answer not just the 1 question, but in this case we had 2. And is it reasonable? 8 with 1 left over. However, every story problem has to have a label. So 8 what? We have 8 books with the 1 left over. And that does answer the questions: how many books on each shelf, and how many are left over. So these are the 4 steps that we're going to be using this year.